have indeed committed a great offense to you, whose face is as bright as a full moon. You are indeed a brilliant star that outshines all this in the galaxy. Do me the favor of accepting my apology, lest I become the saddest person in the world.
But don't think your eloquence impressed me.
Really?
A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity, while an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Gen Magic Productions blazes the trail with the first ever Kannywood English film. There is a way.
So you are now a successful lawyer, Barrister Isham Nasir.
I have an outstanding case that has been waiting for me.
Will you tell the court your name?
Uma Emana, my lord.
Come on, that case is gone already.
It is not gone. I have to revive it.
Exams in the university are different from exams in secondary school.
It was given to me.
Who gave you? You should never be involved in exam malpractice.
Do you have a defense lawyer?
I'm a university lecturer.
And you have the audacity to follow my daughter to this house?
That is what he said, my lord. But I have never ever known any man anywhere apart from him.
Your faculty of thinking is poor.
You met your match and I am the one.
There is a way. Highly optimistic and incredibly enthusiastic, living his life in the darkest night, but still believes that the night will end and the sun will rise.
Look at the size of this house. Does it look like a poor man's house? Look at the clothes we are wearing. Is it the same as yours? This food you're eating. Get up!
There is a way. There is a way. Produced by the icon Abba El
But
Mustafa.
don't you think this is a calculated plan against
Directed by Falanu A. Dorai. There is a way.
I'm a beggar. I'm begging for alms.
Begging is a bad thing. It is wrong. It debases you as a human being.
No, leave it. Thank you for your advice. Thank you.